Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Hotjar recordings and form data export, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up with Hotjar recordings and form data export, first, log into your Hotjar account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your site's metrics and tools. Locate the recordings section in the left sidebar. Click on recordings to access all your recorded user sessions. Here, you will see a list of your recorded sessions from visitors. Next, filter your recordings if necessary by using the options available. This can help you focus on specific dates or segments of users. Once you have the desired recordings in view, look for the export option. Click on the export button to download the selected recordings. Depending on your needs, choose the file format for the export. Now, let's move on to backing up form data. Return to the Hotjar dashboard and locate the Forms section in the left menu. Click on Forms to access your collected form data. You will see a summary of the forms created on your site. Select the specific form you want to export data from. In the form overview, look for the Export button. Click on the Export button, and you will be prompted to choose the format for your export. Select your preferred format, typically CSV or Excel. Confirm the export, and your form data will begin downloading. This will create a backup of all submissions for that specific form. Once the downloads are complete, ensure you save them securely. Consider organizing the files in a dedicated folder for easy access later. You have now successfully backed up your Hotjar recordings and form data. Remember to perform these backups regularly to maintain up-to-date records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.